Ikaw na bahala. Sino ang dapat mag-decide sa mga business decisions? Ikaw o ang partner mo? I remember my mentees who are mag-asawa. And let's call them Merly and Ricky. Meron silang isang medical supplies na business at ganito yung kanilang issue. Si Ricky kasi gusto niya involved siya sa lahat ng decisions. Si Merly naman frustrated kasi minsan naghihintay pa siya ng approval even for simple things like restocking of basic items or scheduling deliveries. Sabi ni Merly, Mami En, parang hindi ako pinagkakatiwalaan. Hindi naman pwedeng palaging bahala ka na o ikaw ang bahala. Tapos minsan ang dami namang tanong. And so I guided them to create a clear decision-making framework. First, they listed decisions that could be done independently, like daily inventory checks, routine orders, and staff scheduling. Second, they identified decisions needing consultation, tulad ng introducing new products, negotiating with hospitals, or adjusting client terms. One decides but has to inform the others. And for major decisions tulad ng loans or changing suppliers, this requires their full agreement. They documented this and agreed to review it every quarter. Ito yung nangyari. Less friction for the two of them. Both partners felt respected at mas naging efficient yung business operations nila kasi wala nang mga unnecessary delays. Anak, ang lesson ay ito. Having clear decision-making boundaries prevents overstepping at speeds up operations. Remember, ang goal naman ay hindi control. It's about creating a system where both partners can grow and thrive. Kaya, let's be business-minded Pinoy. Ready ka na bang i-rediscover yung business calling mo? Click the link below and get your copy ng Discover Your Business Calling. It's time to stop sa pagiging uncertain at magsimulang bumuo ng business that is truly for you. Find your clarity, reclaim your passion. Click this now.